Neighbor's black cat's over, getting a little catnip today. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? That's what he does. He didn't go too crazy after his catnip. He kind of lays down. Let's see if we get a close up of him. Yeah, he's licking his chops. What are you doing? Get some catnip and come over and have a little rest? Huh? I'm just sitting here in the chair if I don't spook him. I'm gonna chase him away. The neighbor that feeds him behind me, actually gets the petting, but he's not one of these guys that likes a lot of pets. He just likes to stop in and get what he wants. Oh, get some catnip, or he likes wet cat food, the neighbor told me. Nice and relaxed today. No hurry to go anyplace. Black cat's just having a relaxing day, cleaning himself. Yeah, what you should do? There you go. That's catnip to make you do that. Trying to rub himself down. Yeah, he's still got his winter coat. He's got a lot of hair. This guy starting to warm up quite a bit. Well, it looks like Black Cat's just gonna have a relaxing day, so we'll leave him alone. Thanks for stopping in and visiting with the neighbor's black cat. You like these black cat videos? Please hit the like and subscribe button.